throwing kids beside the road. Hey bro. Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is a cycling vlog. I am going to Agumbe from Udupi. It's around 53 kilometers from here and it will be around total of 106 kilometers ride today. We have 10 kilometers of extreme Agumbe. Do stay along with me and watch the whole video. Okay guys, now started from home. The time is 4:53. We'll be meeting my first riding partner at Bai International near Old Taluk office, and our one more rider will be joining us after 5 kilometers from the starting point. Total of 3 riders. We are riding to Agumbe. Yes, right. Oh, ghost. Climbing the Manipal up. The first climb of today's ride. Some back tire issues with Ravid Passer cycle. The back tire air had reduced, so we stopped and filled the air with my pump. It's very necessary to have a spare tube pump. Oh, what is this, man? It's very useful to have a spare tube, Allen key. But the direction on the tire hakoga. Direction ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು rotating direction. ನೀವು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಾಗ ಟೈರ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಿರುಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಗ ವೀಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. That is the Agumbe Hills. We have 14 more kilometers more for Agumbe. This is Hebri. Bari chanda untadi. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತಾರು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟಾ ಆಚೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನದಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ನದಿಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ನದಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ,
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ. This is the Sita Nadi Nature Camp, which is near Agumbe. Here you have 3 trekking routes. Here rooms are available. You can stay here. Let's go. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗಾಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, Agumbe Ghats has started. We have 8 kilometers of climbing, non-stop steep climbs with around 11 very steep hairpins. Okay, this is the first hairpin. Someone has gone into it and broken the wall. Sound noda ಗಾಡಿ. ನಾನಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಂತಂದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. Here comes the second hairpin. Third hairpin done. 8 more kilometers to go. From now there are continuous hairpins. Total hairpin counts are 14. I thought it was 11, but it's 14 it seems. These ghats are deadly. These bus drivers are very experienced and they tackle it very well. Just look at it, guys. Too much climb. I just lost the counts of the hairpin. because the struggle is so much. As soon as you take the turn, it's very steep. Oh my god, what a beauty! What a beauty! During rainy season and early morning, there will be thick fog here. The key of cycling is stay hydrated regularly. It's done. Hello guys, we have reached Agumbe. It's 56 kilometers. We faced one problem, that is our rugged pursuer's mobile fell during cycling. It seems in the some 10th or 9th hairpin. So we are searching it. It's in network area, but we should find, I guess it has fallen somewhere in the drainage beside the road. And this is the Agumbe, around 700 meters of elevation. Okay, now it's time to ride back to Udupi. This ride was very nice, superb climate in Agumbe. But now we have a task to find our rugged pursuer's mobile phone.